Hi everyone, welcome to ElectroSpark channel. Today's topic is about series combination of capacitors. It means about us. Yes. Like, what will be our equivalent capacitance? Wait a second. All will be find out. Let's explore. In a series combination of capacitors, we are connected one after another in a single path. Like, see how we are connected hand to hand and with battery terminals.
Okay, that sounds good. It means you are connected across a single path having no distraction or other ways to current flow.
We all are getting same charge. Do you all know?
Yes, me also getting same charge.
Yes, I am also receiving same charge.
Yes, I too.
Of course, I am too getting similar charge.
Awesome, it means you all are in a single path. This current is same and charge is evenly distributed across you. So charge Q is equal to Q1 equals Q2 equals Q3 equals Q4 and Q5. They are same. So we can say Q charge is getting by you.
But our voltages are different. My voltage is V1.
My voltage is V2.
And mine voltage is V3.
I am also getting different voltage. So my voltage is V4. I am also getting different voltage. So my voltage is V4.
Interesting. It means you all have different voltages in a series connection. By the way, that's a little tricky.
From formula for capacitance, which is Q equals CV. Our each capacitance can easily be find out. Look at our formulas. My capacitance is C1 equals Q divided by V1. My yellow fellow capacitor capacitance is C2 equals Q divided by V2. My other pink friend capacitor capacitance is C3 equals Q divided by V3. My fourth fellow capacitor capacitance is C4 equals Q divided by V4. And fifth capacitor capacitance is C5 equals Q divided by V5.
It is also possible if we switch capacitances with voltages and rewrite all these formulas for voltages. Next we will do this. See in next page.
Yes, Kat. You are right. Our voltages can be switched with capacitances in formulas. So our voltages are written in the same way in terms of charge and capacitances. Look at our formulas. My voltage is V1 equals Q divided by C1. My yellow fellow capacitor voltage becomes V2 equals Q divided by C2. My other pink friend capacitor voltage is V3 equals Q divided by C3. My fourth fellow capacitor voltage is V4 equals Q divided by C4. And fifth capacitor voltage comes as V5 equals Q divided by C5.
But wait, as I know you guys voltages are different means. The sum of individual voltages are equal to provided voltage V. If I put all these voltages value in below formula, V equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3 plus V4 plus V5. See in formula in pick shade. Here. In this formula we put all voltages values. As we know, charge is same across all capacitors. So we will do simple math. Look at these values. Thus, we cancel out charge Q from both sides. At last we get equivalent capacitance value for this series combinations of 5 capacitors. That is, 1 divide C equivalent equals 1 over C1 plus 1 over C2 plus 1 over C3 plus 1 over C4 plus 1 over C5. Finally, equivalent capacitance for series combination of capacitors is, that is, 1 divide C equivalent equals 1 over C1 plus 1 over C2 plus 1 over C3 plus 1 over C4 plus 1 over C5. But this formula is for 5 capacitors series combination. If there are n numbers of capacitors connected in series, then formula will be 1 divide C equivalent equals 1 over C1 plus 1 over C2 plus 1 over C3 plus 1 over C4 plus 1 over C5 up to 1 over Cn. Thank you for watching. I hope you will get good idea of series combination of capacitors and their equivalent capacitance from this short video. Keep watching.